Hi guys, it's Alessandra and today I'm going to be making a bug bake. It's something I made up, so enjoy! Vanilla extract, 4 cups of red fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of agar-agar flakes, not the powder, 1 cup of almond milk or any non-dairy milk, and 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Combine all of your ingredients with the exception of the agar-agar and the chia seeds. Pour a mixture into a pan. Simmering, you can add your agar-agar. And make sure to stir it vigorously. After it's all dissolved, turn off the heat and add your chia seeds. Then let sit for 5 minutes before pouring into your mold, but not much longer than that because it'll start settling.